everyone. On this paper bag day, students of Ashoka World School got a chance to learn paper bag making from our friends at Adarsh Special School. Now let me show you how to make a paper bag in 5 easy steps. The materials we need for this is 3 sheets of newspaper and glue. Step 1. Stick the 3 sheets of newspaper together. Make sure you only glue the shorter 2 ends of the newspaper. Another tip would be to use English newspaper as it's slightly more thicker. Step 2. Make sure the text in the newspaper is upright. Fold the top of the newspaper. Step 3. Take a box and place on the left corner and wrap the newspaper around. Crease the edges and use glue to seal the ends. The box should be half the size of the newspaper sheet. Step 4. The bottom end of the newspaper should be folded and glued to create a base for the bag. Step 5. Pull out the box from the bag and use any ribbon or rope of your choice to create a bag handle. We have used a stapler to secure the ribbon handles, but it is ideal if you can punch holes and tie rope for the bag handles.
If we make one paper bag each and use it, it reduces lack of plastic bags. We urge you to join us on this Why I Thalir movement.